Welcome to the quick session. In this video, we will be learning about backend, which basically includes Node.js, React.js, and all. So, firstly, we will define about backend. Basically includes three things, which are server, application, and database. Server are, server are a computer connected to a network. Basically, it can be server can be any computer which are connected to network. The thing is, it really should be connected to a network. Any computer connected to a network will be a server. And the second thing is application. Application is response to user request. And third thing is really important, that is database, which stores data securely. In this time, data is the prime thing. It is the very important thing for all the big companies to store data. And for database, we study MySQL, or we can say SQL, under which MySQL comes. So database is really important. And we can say backend works behind the scenes, which means what we are seeing are the front end, which includes Java, HTML, and CSS. And there is backend for that, which works behind the scenes. And now, what is framework? Backend have frameworks. Okay? Framework is a structure that makes development faster and easier, which makes which makes any development faster and easier. Okay, and it provides ready-made tools. It saves our time. It improves code quality because it is already giving us previous code and all. And for Node.js, the framework is Express. We will be starting with Node.js, that's why I'm focusing on Node.js more here. Okay, now what is Node.js? Node.js is asynchronous, event driven JavaScript runtime. Asynchronous and event driven. Asynchronous basically means we can do so many functionalities at a time without like completion of the previous one. And event driven means like we don't have to wait for the uh, output of the previous required thing. We can do things in as per our requirement. And Node.js are designed for scalable network applications. It uses JavaScript on the server, and it is really fast and efficient. Have you ever seen that if we are going to the next page or next web, there is loading thing? Node.js really help to rectify or correct that thing. When we are going to the next page, it smoothly goes to the next page. Node.js are used under that thing to solve that problem of loading or taking time to move to the another page or switch to the another page. So Node.js is really important. Now third, why Node.js is powerful? It handles multiple requests at once. We can add so many things to cart at Mintra. We can order something at that time. We can uh, take support from Mintra support care. I'm taking this example of a shopping app, that is Mintra. So yeah, now it is scalable for large projects. And it is really interesting that NASA also uses Node.js in their projects, and it is ideal for real-time applications. Okay, now there is a concept of REPL in Node.js, which basically means R for read, E for evaluate, P for print, and L for loop. See, I have written here, and it is just JavaScript directly in terminal. We will move forward to terminal in the next lecture. For now, just know there is something like terminal, and we use JavaScript in that. Okay, now the Node.js in terminal. When you type node, we have to put command node, and then you will see this sign. This sign is really important in that terminal. If you are not getting this sign, then there is something glitch, or you are having some problem over there, so you have to rectify that first. We will I will tell more about this in the next lecture for sure. Now, Node.js in terminal means you have if that just now I explained that after seeing this symbol is really important in terminal. So this means that you have successfully entered node REPL. You can execute JavaScript commands. This gives us the idea that we have successfully entered into the REPL, and now we can execute JavaScript commands in the terminal. So just note it down, or you can write it down in your notebook that this symbol is really important in terminal. When you put command node, you will see this, and this shows that we are successfully entered into node REPL or JavaScript commands. Now thank you, and subscribe or like keep in check with for more tech content from this channel. And for now I will be putting content regarding backend. For few days I will be putting content for Node.js frameworks, then I will move to React, then MySQL. The things will go in this order: Node.js, React, MySQL, and later on I will update you more. Thank you.